Would you like a present, Heather?
Yes. Oh my god!
Did you really think it was real after you grabbed it?
No! It scared me!
Oh, I hear you.
I need a light. I can't see any of this.